Okay, I forgot to turn on the camera, but we've already added the onion, and we've already added the paprika, we've already added the garlic salt, but we do add the cayenne pepper that you'll see here. At least you got to see me add something to it. Okay, we'll get the spices mixed into the flour here that we'll have for our chicken wings. And then we'll set it to the side and get our egg wash mixed up here. Now I just add a little bit of milk to it, a third cup maybe a quarter cup. And then I add just a little bit of water to it and get it all mixed up here. And I add a teaspoon of baking powder and a teaspoon of baking soda. Now we're going to dip it into the egg wash, into the flour, back into the egg wash, back into the flour, and then we'll put it on the plate. And then we're going to let them set a bit so it will soak up the flour. Now that these wings have soaked up the flour a little bit, we're going to hit them with some olive oil spray before we put them in the air fryer. Okay, we put the chicken wings in the air fryer, set it for 400 degrees. 20 minutes, and then we're going to have an alarm to go off to check it halfway through in 10 minutes. And again, I forgot to film the halfway mark, but look at them, they turned out great. It was set for 20 minutes and I pulled them out at 17 minutes. Hey, if you liked the video, give me a thumbs up. And if you like one of those other videos on the screen there, click on it, and I'll meet you there.